favorite medium for telling stories with pictures is block printing. I learned the ancient art of block printing from my mom, and today I'm going to be sharing that technique with you.
These are the tools of my trade. First, I develop a sketch. I start to thicken the lines and check periodically to make sure the size is right. I add elements that tell my story, like wind for this flying albatross. When my drawing is done, I place tracing paper over it and tape it down to the paper. I use a soft pencil and go over every single line. This will be my guide when I am carving. Once I've gotten every line, I carefully lift off the tracing paper and place it face down on my block. I use a ballpoint pen to transfer the pencil drawing to the block. Once the transfer is complete, I lift off the tracing paper and now I'm ready to carve. I always turn the block when I carve, so my hand is in a comfortable position and not bent awkwardly. I don't want to cut myself. I mostly use a matte knife, but I also use different gouging tools depending on what is to be carved. Trim the excess material from the outside of the image area, and I'm ready to pull my first print. I roll my roller carefully into the ink because I don't want too much ink, just enough to cover the roller. I roll over the raised parts of my block and cover the whole surface area. And then I place the paper on the inked block. I use a baudin and a spoon to grab the ink. I carefully lift the print, and voila! My sketch, my block, and my print.
I hope you enjoyed this demonstration and that it inspired you to try block printing yourself.